online YouTube video. Our today's subject is Unit 4 Adjective. Right now we have seen the noun, pronoun, and their types also we have seen. Now it's time of adjective. But what is adjective? We should know this first. What is adjective? I have written here the question, what is adjective? First, adjective plays very important role in the grammar, and adjective tell us more information about noun or pronoun which is given in the sentence. That means what is adjective? Adjective tell us more information. Adjective describe the noun or pronoun very nicely. It describe the noun and pronoun very nicely, and it tell us more information about the noun or pronoun which is given in the sentence. Let's see, for example, here I write here the ball is very big. Now see, the ball is very big. I have written this sentence here. The ball is very big, and we have seen what is adjective. Adjective tell us more information about noun or pronoun which is given in the sentence. So first we have to find out which is our noun in the sentence. So which is our noun here in the sentence? The ball. The ball is our noun, right? Now what adjective does here? Adjective tell us more information about noun. Now we found out the noun. Now the ball is very big. Now how is ball? Which kind of ball it is? It is very big. So this big word is our adjective. This big is our adjective because this big is telling us more information about this ball. That means which kind of ball is this? This is big ball, or sometimes it is small ball. And if we talk about its color, imaginary, so the ball is red color ball, blue color ball, yellow color ball. This all color is telling us more information about noun. So the color is our adjective, and here the size of ball is big, small, medium. This is telling us more information about noun. Now if I say I have this book, so this is rectangle book. This is rectangle book. So book is our noun. Book is our noun, and rectangle is our adjective. That means rectangle is this adjective telling us more information about the book. Rectangle is telling us more information about this book. That means this book is rectangle. Right? Now I just rub this. Will also explain you some examples. Right? First, we should know what is adjective clearly. Adjective tell us more information about noun. It describes the noun, right? Now, we'll see another example. Reena is a beautiful girl. Right? What I have written here? Reena is a beautiful girl. Now first we have to identify the noun. Which is our noun? Our noun is Reena. Right? Reena is our noun. Now which is adjective? Adjective means the word which is describing the noun or pronoun in given sentence. The word which is describing the noun or pronoun in given sentence. So which word is describing Reena? This beautiful. So this is our adjective. Reena is noun and beautiful is adjective. This beautiful word is describing Reena. This beautiful word is telling us more information about Reena. Right? I hope students got what is adjective. Now there are 6 types of adjective. First we have seen what is adjective. Now we have to just move on to the types of adjective. So see, types of adjective. There are 6 types of adjective. The first one is qualitative adjective. What is this? Qualitative adjective. That means the qualitative adjective telling us the quality of the noun or pronoun. Qualitative adjective means it is also called the adjective of quality. It is also called the adjective of quality. So this qualitative adjective telling us the information about the quality of the noun. The second one is quantitative adjective. The second one is quantitative adjective. Third one is number of adjective. Now fourth is demonstrative adjective. Fifth is interrogative adjective. Sixth is possessive adjective. Right now there are 6 types of adjective on the board I have written. First is qualitative, second is quantitative, third is number, fourth is demonstrative, fifth is interrogative, and sixth one is possessive. Now let's see first in detail the qualitative adjective. First we'll see what is qualitative adjective. This first one we are going to see first, right? Now see, here also I have written what is qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective refers to physical features or quality of the noun. What is telling the physical quality? It telling the physical quality of the noun or pronoun. And even qualitative adjective describe the shape, size. You see this first. Wait. Qualitative adjective tell us about size, shape, color, appearance, taste and material and other qualities of the noun. We have seen in the first example the ball is big. The ball is very big. This big word means the size of ball. Big word is the size of ball. And we have seen the rectangle book. That means the size of the book we have seen. That means the qualitative adjective what tell us? The size, the color, red ball, blue ball, color, right? Shape. Now if some food is there, the food is very tasty. The food is very delicious. It is sweet. It is salty. Right? It is bitter. This taste is also telling us the more information about the food. That means that taste name is also our qualitative adjective. And material, if I hold some ball and that ball is very soft. So what is the material of that ball? It is very soft ball. That means the material is very soft. If I touch this cup, so this is cotton. This is very soft. Sometimes the things is very tough or rough. So the material of the texture of the things is also the qualitative adjective. Right? Now see, for example, red dress. That means this red is this red color is telling us more information about the dress. Even the red color is describing the dress. So that's why this red is our adjective. Red is our adjective. Now see the square book. So this even we have seen the rectangle book. That means shape and size also is there. So this square is our adjective. Now huge mountain, huge, that means size is also there, that is so huge. Huge is are also adjective, and these are nouns. So what we have to focus? We just have to focus what is there in the qualitative adjective. Qualitative adjective describe the noun. Qualitative adjective describe the noun according to its shape, size, color, appearance, taste, material, and other qualities and other physical qualities. Right? So you please note down this all in your notebook within 5 minutes. Now what we have to see, qualitative adjective we have seen, right? Qualitative adjective describe the noun or pronoun according to its shape, size, color, appearance, taste, material, or other physical features or other physical qualities of the noun or pronoun. And this example also we have seen. Now let's move forward and see the adjective of quantity. That means quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective. What is quantitative adjective? Let's see. I just wait again 2 minutes so you can write it fast. Quantitative adjective. Now what is quantitative adjective? Quantity means the things which is available. It can be less, little, enough, more, right? So the thing in which quantity the thing is available. Enough rice, little rice, left to eat now. Like these words are there, we can see. Now see what is the quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective describe the quantity of noun. It describe quantity of noun or pronoun. That means the quantitative adjective describe the quantity of noun or pronoun. They answer the question how much. They answer the question of how much. And it will be uncountable noun, and it would be uncountable noun. like some, much, more, little, enough. Like these words you can see in the quantitative noun, because in quantitative adjective it describes the quantity of noun or pronoun, that means how much the thing is available, and if the sentence will be there, so for to that sentence you have to ask the question of how much. That means how much. If you ask the question to the sentence with how much, you will get the answer in quantitative adjective. And it would be the uncountable nouns like some, much, more, little, enough. If you can see in the sentence such kind of words, so these words are quantitative adjective. The words again I repeat: some, much, more, little, enough. These words tell us the quantity of the noun. So I hope you have written this all. Now let's see the example of quantitative noun. The example is there. Please give me some milk. Right now, and the second example is there is much noise. Much noise in the classroom. Now see, I have written two examples for quantitative adjective. Let's find the quantitative adjective from these given sentences. The first sentence, before I explain, if you can find the word, such kind of word, some, much, more, little, enough, this word is our quantitative adjective, and if you can see such kind of words in the sentence, so underline it and you can easily identify the quantitative adjective. Now see here, example was there. Please give me some milk. So which quantitative adjective word is coming here? Some. So this some word is telling us more information about the milk, even is showing the quantity of milk. How much milk is there in the glass or in the bowl or in the bowl, like that. So this some word is telling the quantity of the milk which is left in the glass or in the bowl. So this sum is our quantitative adjective. And now in the second sentence, there is much noise in the classroom. So which word is there coming? Much. So this much is also our quantitative adjective. Now again I write quantitative adjective. Now again I write the third sentence. Nancy. There is enough rice left in the kitchen. There is enough rice left in the kitchen. So which word is telling here the quantity of noun? Enough. Right? So this some, much, enough, these words are telling us the quantity of the given material or given noun or given things. Some, much, enough, these are our quantitative adjective. You please note down this all. Even first thing again I explain you, we have to ask the question to the given sentence with how much. With how much. Please give me some milk. Please give me some milk. Please give me some milk. Now let's ask the question to the sentence with how much. Please give me some milk. How much milk should I give? How much milk should I give? So answer will be some milk. Now there is much noise in the classroom. How much noise in the classroom? How much noise in the classroom? So much noise in the classroom. There is enough rice left in the kitchen. How much rice left in the kitchen? How much rice left in the kitchen? So you will get the answer, enough rice left in the kitchen. So I underlined here some, much, enough. These all three words I have underlined. You please note down this all in your notebook within 5 minutes. Even we can see this, some, much, more, little, enough. These are uncountable now. These are uncountable now. Now we have seen the qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective we have seen. Now the number of adjective we have to see. Adjective of number. I hope you have written this all. So I just rub this upper one's lines. Adjectives of number. Now the adjective of number, these adjectives are words that tell us about the number of the noun. That means the adjective of number tell us the number of noun. What the adjective of number tell us the number of noun. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So with the number only we can imagine, we can guess there could be a number like 1 to 10 or 11 to 20, like this number will be there. Even they answer the question how many. How many? And if here in the quantitative adjective we ask the question with how much. Now here in the adjective of number we have to ask the question to the sentence with how many. So you will get the proper number of adjective. The numbers like that you can see. First I have to rub this on. The number you can see in the sentence like many, many, several, all, etc. Because they answer the question how many, because these words also you can see in the adjective of number, many, several, all, etc. Because if we ask the question to the sentence, for example I just explain you. All girls are clever of the class. What sentence I have written? All girls are clever of the class. If I ask the question how many girls, you have to ask the question to the noun with how many. How many girls are clever of the class? So answer you will get all girls. All girls. So this is adjective of number. All, this word is adjective of number. So you can see 1 to 100 number also you can see in the adjective of number, but the words like many, several, all, these are also adjective of numbers. Even let's see the example again. How many students are in the class now? This is the question. How many students are in the class now? So answer can be many, many, several, all, and few as well. Few students are in the classroom. Few also we can see. Now see, we have asked the question to the student. How many students are in the classroom? So it can be many students are in the classroom, or several students are in the classroom, or all students are in the classroom, or few students are in the classroom. So if we ask the question to the noun with how many, So you will get the answer in adjective of number. It can be many, several, all, few, or 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 to 100. Numbers also you can see in the adjective of number. Please note down this all with examples. Now I give you homework. Make one word sentence. Sorry, make two sentences. Make two sentences of qualitative adjective, qualitative, quantitative, and adjective of number. Make two sentences of qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, and adjective of number. This is your homework. We'll see in our next video the demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. How we just see in the detail qualitative adjective in detail. We have seen quantitative adjective and adjective of number. So three types of adjective we have seen in detail. Now three are left, but these three we will see in our next video. So first you have to complete this homework. You have to make two sentences of adjective of qualitative, adjective quantitative adjective, and adjective of number. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you.